Hello, it's Matthew here from SpaceLogic. We're here today at Goulburn's new hospital, their new clinical services building, where the hospital engaged SpaceLogic 4.5 years ago to help with their storage designs throughout the hospital in all their clinical storage areas, where we work very closely with Deb and her team here on the redevelopment. We fitted out all the clean utilities through the ICU, ED, surgical, medical wards, and all the sterile stock stores throughout the theatres, ICU and ED.
So the SpaceLogic story for us in the Goulburn Hospital began 2017. I think I gave Matthew a call and said, come and help me. Then all the rest of the crew have come along since. David and then Jason, Tyron, Todd, Lloyd, all of them. They've all been a great crew to work with. And even now, after finishing the hospital, they're still here doing after-sales service and helping us make our spaces work more efficiently, because the plans will never get it 100% right. And it's not until people start to work in the space that they know the problems, and SpaceLogic have been there the whole way through to fix every problem that we've had. My one piece of advice in regards to SpaceLogic would be take their advice. They've been doing this for a while now. I know that they're expanding their market. Their product is that good. They have a great warranty, and they provided us a lot of advice. Not all of it we followed, and we actually kind of regret some of that now, but we've still had a great outcome because of the SpaceLogic product.
This is just another true example of how SpaceLogic work with all the user groups and architects and the building contractors to have a great outcome like this one here at Goulburn.